Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So then, I'm in my BMW 130i, and today I want to talk about one thing that you should not do ever on your BMW, and it's one mistake that a lot of people do make, and it ends up causing them a whole bunch of problems and causes them to have a huge repair bill at the end of things. So I think we'll get outside, we're going to head to the rear of the car, and let's get cracking. Okay then, so we are actually in the trunk now, and as you can see we have the battery compartment. Now then, let's say for example your battery goes flat. Let's say for example it drops below the required voltage to spin the starter motor fast enough to turn over your engine, which from my experience it's usually around 11.7 volts. So let's say for example your battery voltage dips below that. Now on a regular car, what you may think is the best thing to do is just, go ahead and charge your battery. So you'll get the jump pack, you'll put it on the negative terminal and the positive terminal. But on BMW batteries, they are completely different. They have this thing just here, which is the IBS sensor, or the intelligent battery sensor. And what this does essentially is regulate the current that goes to the modules. So the one thing that you cannot do is attempt to jump the battery from these terminals right here. What you must do is jump start it from the terminals in the engine bay. So we have the positive just here underneath this cap. There we can see the positive. And then we have a negative ground point, which in this car is this one just here. But in theory you can just ground it from anywhere on the chassis as long as it has a good earth connection. And the reason why you must do it from the engine bay, from the terminals, and not from the terminals on the battery is because if you do it from the battery, you're not going to have the current going through the IBS, which if you do it from the terminals in the engine bay, you will have it going through the IBS. And so what will end up happening is, if you jump start it from the terminals on the battery, is you will have too much current going through all of your modules, and you will be very, very lucky not to fry the complete lot of them. So yes, if for whatever reason your battery does go flat, do not jump start it from the terminals on the battery. Please keep that off limits. Just use the terminals in your engine bay like I've shown you. Okay then guys, so I know this video has been quite simple and basic, and I know a lot of you guys out there are already aware of this. You know that you cannot go ahead and jump start it from the terminals on your battery, that you have to do it from the terminals in your engine bay. But I know there is still quite a few people out there who are not aware of this. They try and jump start it from the terminals on the battery, and they end up frying their footwell module, their parking sensor module, and God knows what else. So yeah, please do not do this. Just take my advice if you are not already aware of this. But yeah, like I said, it's just more of a friendly reminder. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and please remember to give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!